Which article of the Indian Constitution guarantees the right to equality before law? Answer is Article 14. The prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth is mentioned in which article? Answer is Article 15. Which article provides equality of opportunity in matters of public employment? Answer is Article 16. The practice of untouchability has been abolished under which article? Answer is Article 17. Which article abolishes titles except military and academic distinctions? Answer is Article 18. The freedoms guaranteed under Article 19 are available to whom? Answer is citizens only. Which one of the following is not a freedom under Article 19? Answer is freedom of religion. Freedom of press is implied under which fundamental right? Answer is Article 19. The protection against double jeopardy is provided under which article? Answer is Article 20. Ex post facto laws are prohibited under which article? Answer is Article 20. No person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty except according to procedure established by law is mentioned in which article? Answer is Article 21. The concept of procedure established by law in Article 21 has been borrowed from which country? Answer is Japan. Which case expanded the scope of Article 21 by including personal liberty? Answer is Maneka Gandhi case. Right to travel abroad is considered a part of which fundamental right? Answer is Article 21. Free and compulsory education for children between 6 and 14 years is provided under which article? Answer is Article 21A. Which amendment added Article 21A to the Constitution? Answer is 86th Amendment. Protection against arbitrary arrest and detention is provided under which article? Answer is Article 22. Which fundamental right prohibits human trafficking? Answer is Article 23. Forced labor is prohibited under which article? Answer is Article 23. Child labor in hazardous industries is prohibited under which article? Answer is Article 24. Freedom of conscience and free profession of religion is guaranteed under which article? Answer is Article 25. Every religious denomination has the right to manage its religious affairs under which article? Answer is Article 26. No person shall be compelled to pay taxes for promotion of any particular religion under which article? Answer is Article 27. Religious instruction is prohibited in educational institutions wholly maintained by the state under which article? Answer is Article 28. The right of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions is guaranteed under which article? Answer is Article 30. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides protection against laws inconsistent with fundamental rights? Answer is Article 13. Fundamental rights are mainly contained in which part of the Constitution? Answer is Part 3. The idea of fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution was inspired by the Constitution of which country? Answer is USA. Which of the following is not included in the right to equality? Answer is freedom of speech. Article 14 of the Constitution guarantees what? Answer is equality before law and equal protection of laws. The concept of equal protection of laws has been borrowed from the Constitution of which country? Answer is USA. Reservation for socially and educationally backward classes is related to which article? Answer is Article 15. Reservation in public employment for backward classes is provided under which article? Answer is Article 16. Which article permits the state to make special provisions for women and children? Answer is Article 15, 3. Special provisions for advancement of socially and educationally backward classes are allowed under which article? Answer is Article 15, 4. Equality of opportunity in matters of employment is guaranteed under which article? Answer is Article 16. The abolition of untouchability is an example of which fundamental right? Answer is right to equality. Which article prohibits the state from conferring titles? Answer is Article 18. Freedom of speech and expression is subject to reasonable restrictions under which article? Answer is Article 19, 2. Which of the following is a reasonable restriction on freedom of speech? Answer is public order. The right to assemble peacefully without arms is included in which article? Answer is Article 19, 1, b. The right to form associations or unions is guaranteed under which article? Answer is Article 19, 1, c. The right to move freely throughout India is provided under which article? Answer is Article 19, 1d. The right to reside and settle in any part of India is mentioned in which article? Answer is Article 19, 1e. The right to practice any profession or carry on any occupation is under which article? Answer is Article 19, 1g. Which fundamental right was deleted by the 44th Constitutional Amendment Act? Answer is right to property. The right to property was made a legal right under which article? Answer is Article 300A. The Supreme Court can issue writs under Article 32 for the enforcement of what? Answer is fundamental rights. Which court is known as the protector of fundamental rights? Answer is Supreme Court. Which of the following writs is issued by a higher court to transfer a case from a lower court? Answer is certiorari.